You can bring me food.
You're okay. Elizabeth
My
just
hair has mud in it.
Elizabeth just crashed on her Diggler around this wicked corner.
What does my hair look like? Tell me this.
Oh my God! Magically, your hair is not even muddy at all.
What?
Yeah, a little bit right there, but that's it. Get mud on your back though. And your helmet saved you.
I hit my knee really hard.
Oh. Look up at me. You're okay. You're sitting in the mud, babe. You're sitting in the mud.
Hurt my knee.
Let's see your knee.
It's bruising right there.
I don't see anything.
I have mud in my hair.
No, you don't.
I can't even take a shower.
Alright, get up.
No.
This happens, you know? You're sitting in the
I
mud.
didn't want to do this in the first place.
You're sitting in the mud.
I know, I like it here. I never wanted to do this stupid thing.
Come on, babe.